In the sixth video of Old Man and the Sea, we will see the part where the old man is struggling with the fish at night. Like he is hoping that the fish will not, he's trying not to hurt the fish so that it will not jump or anything like that. But after quite a while, the fish started to make some movement, and the old man is struggling. And in between, he is having the dolphin fish, and then he says that the dolphin fish is very good when you cook, but then when you don't cook, it is like quite nauseating kind. And then the fish makes a jerk and he falls into the cut piece of the dolphin, and then he feels quite nauseated and he feels that he cannot eat it in the near time. He will not be able to eat it because he is having the nauseating feel. And then the fish started coming up, and then it made a jump. And then since it is at night, he cannot see the fish jumping. He can only see the water splashing and all those things. And then later on we see that by daytime he is able to see the fish started coming little up. It is like you can see the shadow of the fish, which is longer, 2 feet longer than the skiff. And then he can see the fish, and then he's describing how lavender color it is, lavender hue it is. And its tail are so sharp like scythe. Okay, and then slowly he wished that the fish started, it made some jumps, and then he is making himself like he can rest now, because now it is not the time. After a little while the fish will start circling round the boat, and that time he should be careful. And then the fish started rounding, circling, and it was a big circle that the fish is making. And then he adjusted the lines quite much that the fish is moving in a smaller circle. And then he's waiting to face the fish. And then he's telling that the fish, you can circle, but soon the fish will circle, and then he has to face it. Then in between he prays that he doesn't get muscle, his hands doesn't have cramps. And then he's struggling so much, like he's a very old man, so to face this big fish is not a joke. Then he says that he cannot fail the fish like that, he cannot fail before the fish. And then he says that he will say 100 Our Fathers and Hail Mary so that everything will be all right. And then he's asking the fish, don't jump now please, and he thinks that he can take rest for some time. And then he's after some time, and on the third turn of the fish he sees the fish for the first time. And then he says, oh my god, this fish cannot be so big. And then he describes the fish, and then he is quite proud that he made this fish move. And then the way the fish is jumping, it is splashing all the water on him. And then he's telling to the fish that anyway it is sure that you will die, but are you trying to kill me also, he's asking to the fish. And then he talking to his head, clear up my head, clear up my head, I have to keep my head clear. And then he's afraid he will get dizzy. He's 2-3 times he felt dizzy, so he's afraid about that. He's putting the salt water upon his sea water upon his head and on his body and all. Then the fish again made turns, and he's making the plans. When the fish jumps, I will aim at its head and I will thrust the harpoon onto its heart. He is making such plans. And then the fish is along with him, the fish is circling round the skiff. And then the fish made a sudden jump. And what happened, he jumped so high that all the beauty of the fish could be seen. And then when he jumped into the water, jumped back to the water, he could like all the water sprayed upon him and the skiff. And then he thinks that he have never seen such a beautiful, such a calmer, such a very a kind of fish that you will feel respect for. It is very manly. So many days, like 2-3 days it is with him, but the fish is not tired. The fish is going on very valiant way. So he is very much proud about the fish, and he calls the fish it's his brother. And then we see that the fish is jumping, and the old man is getting ready himself for the biggest fight. Okay, I hope the video is clear to you. Thank you.